What is up, guys? Welcome back to another online money hooks channel video. Hope you guys are awesome, feeling amazing. I'm feeling great today. So today I want to talk about how you guys can make an extra $500 to $1,000 a month and an extra $100 to $200 a day. This method is not limited to how much you can earn. This method is limited to as much as you put in. So if you put in less work, you earn less. You put in more work, you earn more. So before we go any further, you guys, I would really appreciate if you can just hit the subscribe button on this channel and subscribe to this video for more videos like this. Looking forward to pushing out more helpful, more valuable content. So today we're talking about affiliate marketing, and we're gonna be talking about promoting click funnels. Now, we're not gonna be promoting click funnels in an ordinary way. We're gonna be promoting it using an automated system that is making people a lot of cash. So we're gonna look at a bit of some results that people have been getting to give you a clear picture of really what we're in for. This has shown to be huge gains. This is a product or a funnel, so to say, called Secret Affiliate Machine. And what this helps you do is it helps you promote affiliate products that are under click funnels for a commission. This is not like any other ordinary affiliate marketing platforms. No, this is different. So I'm gonna take you through some of the results that people have been getting so you can have a clear idea of what we're talking about. So as you can see, we've got somebody that's saying, I spent $500 on solo ads, my sum funnel, boom. These are the results that they got, $900 after starting to try out this method. Another guy is earning almost daily $100, as you can see. I've been saying this. So $100, so you've got a potential of going up to $3,000 US a month. This guy is saying, I don't want you to compare, this is the results, the sum funnel so far in 30 days. So after some 30 days of running this funnel, this guy is earning $1,000 a month, about $50 to $200 daily on average. And you've also got these results. I'm gonna zoom that in from another guy, also from promoting click funnels. These are not old results. These are this year's results, as you can see. So people are actually making money with this platform, with this funnel called the sum funnel. These are all just recent results. So what is the sum funnel? So a sum funnel is a click funnel, is an affiliate funnel. It's a sales funnel. It's a funnel that helps you get commissions with click funnels. So it helps people sign up for click funnels. So what this funnel does is once you come here, people get to sign in. They go through this process. They come to the second page. So it takes them to the first page where they put in their email and their name. Then they click next. It takes them to the next page, where you have your affiliate link or something. Then they're gonna sign up. Once they sign up, they come here, they sign up, they watch this video. These are some pretty amazing videos. You guys will attest with me. just starting with the first video. So your clients are gonna come here, your customers are gonna come, they're gonna watch this video. These are pretty amazing videos, really interesting, that would get them hooked. So they would come here, they would watch the first video, they would sign up, they would go to the next video, watch it, come over here, take the next step, and it shows everything in detail. These are really well done videos, professionally done, to convert your clients and traffic that you bring to this funnel. So they're gonna come to the third step, where they'll import their secret affiliate machine, which is the whole funnel, which is this. And after import that machine into their ClickFunnels account, after they've opened their ClickFunnels account, in this second step, so the first step is coming here, going through the video, putting in their email address and everything, going to the next step, creating their affiliate machine account, going to the next step, they're gonna get their machine right here after they've signed up for a ClickFunnels account, because it's impossible for you to get this funnel without a ClickFunnels account. Then they are gonna come to here, get their affiliate link, go to the next step. At this step, this is where you get info on how to send traffic to your funnel. So you come here, this is your traffic source. So you need to spend some money though using this method, maybe somewhere between $100 to $200 to get your traffic running. There are some pretty amazing solo ad traffics that you can use to run this funnel. As you can see, this guy spent $500 on solo ads and he made back $900. So that's a $400 pure profit, 90% profit. So there's some pretty amazing. So this funnel has everything for you. It's like in-house. So you've got the funnel itself, you've got resources where people can go and sign up for an account. Once they are done signing up for an account, they can join the Facebook group, where the owner of this funnel helps you out with everything, and there is a really helpful community around. So they're gonna come here after they opened a ClickFunnels account, and they are gonna import this funnel right here. After they are done with that, they'll get their affiliate link, then they'll go and also promote this to another client, to other people. So you get a commission for them also promoting this product to other people. Then they are gonna come here. Once they are here, you're gonna get a traffic source. This is where you get your traffic. There's a link to where you can get some high quality traffic to run to your site. That's very reasonable and cheap. You can get anywhere between $100 to $500, even $1,000 spent on traffic, depending on how much you feel like spending on traffic. Then the next step is the final step here, where you can get some extra resources, some free training, where the people that you send this traffic to, the people that you recommend, your buyers, get some free training on how to go about promoting affiliate marketing with ClickFunnels. Then they can also join the Facebook group, where they can get immediate help in case they need anything. Then here are some other products that are offered with ClickFunnels in this funnel that you can recommend to people, which is the one funnel challenge, which is the 30-day funnel challenge that helps you work around and customize your ClickFunnels to help you earn more money with it. They've also got some free books that you guys can get a hold of. These are really helpful books that would be helpful for anyone starting out in this game. So I'd highly recommend you check out one of these. So you can come yourself and go through the funnel and get the funnel. I'll leave a link in the description where you can get the free funnel. I'll leave a link in the description, so you can go to the description and get the free funnel on how you can do all this. So once you come to the end of the funnel here, you can actually click here and go to the free training. So this is the free training that is taught on how you can go about using this funnel to earn more commissions. So thanks very much guys for watching this video. Hope this video was helpful to the masses and it can help you make an extra few grands like these guys are actually making. All these are pretty amazing results. As you can see, this is $50,000 earned, $2,000 earned in 30 days. Amazing. So guys, some of these things, you jump on early, you have a chance of earning more, because the longer you wait, the more this is gonna be saturated and you won't be able to earn any commissions of it, because market has just ruined everything. Once it goes everywhere and a million people are promoting it, it pretty much won't be that. It might be effective, but not that effective. So the earlier bird gets the biggest worm. So jump on right now whilst this is still fresh. This has only been released I think for 2 months or 3 months now. Still pretty fresh. It's only getting the words out. Nobody knows that much about it yet. So the quicker you jump in and get some solo ads running to this, the easier it is for you to make some money. So if you don't have a ClickFunnels account, I'll leave a link in the description. You can join ClickFunnels right now and get this funnel. In fact, I'll leave a link to this free funnel where you can get this free funnel. And if you need help, I'm offering some help for any people that would reach out. If you want help with this funnel, you can comment in the description somewhere in the comment section, and I'll be able to set up this funnel for you, edit it out and customize it to your own best interest and to help you earn money with it. So thanks guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Online Money Hooks, and I'll be glad you did. Thanks very much guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace. I'm out.